Today we are I actually found a truck that I don't know if has always been there, but just let me close my garages real quick. I was just exploring around back of my house, seeing if there's like any stuff going on, and I found one thing, and it was a old truck. It's back here, if you guys can see it. Who is that? Who is behind my shop? Eh, whatever. But it's this right here. This rusty everywhere. Dolly. Um, starts the drive. It does. It has quite a bit of power. Oh, it has a lot of power. Okay, let me fix the paint. Let's go to this black. Oh, rims black. And of course, we have to put the brush guard back to black. This is actually a pretty nice truck. Got my work truck. That was this truck. Never seen it. The hydraulics still work on it. Just have to go back to get my truck. Let me see something. We could probably work on the trucks in there. The Ford F-250. In last video. No, the F-250s. Just open the door. Let's just pull in. Let's close the door. Go, go, go. I'm gonna keep the brown one the same, since I like how it is stock. But this one, I don't really care for on how it looks. I'm thinking about doing like a little lift, bit bigger tires, change the rims. But this one, I like how it is, cause American Plains. What was that? What is this? Is that just the? Yeah, that's just the interior. The thing I like about it is he changed the sound effects. The creator of the game changed the sound effects of it. Oh, whoa, too big of a lift, too big of a lift. About right there. I still want it to be capable of towing. Lift up. lift up. Let's go to wheels. I think this is good, but let's see if there's any more attachments that I could do. You know, what even is this? I don't even... Limited items? I don't even know what that is. Well, yeah, we could do a light bar. This? This could be the snowplow. No, I don't want to do the snowplow. Oh, don't forget the winch. Yes, I'm keeping the dolly bed. You know, I've actually never seen a dolly with just a single... Oh my god, that looks weird. I'm gonna keep it dolly. Let's do smokestacks. Oh, I don't really care for the outsides, but I do like the inside. Boom. That's just gonna smoke up the whole room. I think that's it. I really don't want to... I know I keep this stuff kind of realistic, but not too realistic. But I'm thinking about just despawning one of these trucks and doing something. Well, I can go down to my workshop, see if there's anything there. I could probably take this truck. Yeah. I haven't really drove my others too much. I always drive this one. So let's turn around. Whoa, whoa, whoa. He's picking me up. Oh. Meow. I'm not... Oh, the sun's about to go down, so I have to hurry up. I have to go to my job. He says if I'd be late again, I'd be, fired. What time is it now? Like, it's 8:30. Alright, there we go. Let's go. I didn't do too bad of this parking job. Kind of bad, but not too bad. I'm here. On time. Gosh, it's already 9. Oh, did you put anything else up? I think that guy just stole from us. Oh, I do need a shovel though. Because I need a few things, but not too many. Like this. Let's go put these in the back of my truck. Don't worry, I already paid for this stuff. We have the employee discount on stuff like this. What is... Oh, you have to move your... Okay. You have to move the ATV out of the way. I don't think he's going... Oh, every time I try, I always have to wait. He loaded that. Oh, don't come. Don't come down. Gosh. I'm just gonna go back into work. I just have to make sure stuff is in place. Go back. I'm pretty sick right now, but it's not gonna stop me. I think that's really everything I have to do now. Yeah, I'm gonna make me like a little campfire. I might make like a flexing hole. Like dig a hole, make sure, and see if you can drive your wheel, well, put your wheel on it and see how good your truck flexes. Something like this, but at my house. But this truck really can't flex too much. Yes, like that. It'd have to be like a really tiny flexing hole for this thing to flex. So, yeah, this truck is faster than my towing truck. My daily truck, actually. I might turn that Duramax into my towing truck. And the other one into my daily. This is just a... if I want to drive my truck. I'm just gonna place that there. Oh. Toggle. Turn the truck off for now. Got the campfire going. Let's just come over here. We also have knives. I prefer to use my own knife technically, being that most Americans don't give a knife sharpening method. Look at that. Oh. Nobody wants jagged tip. There we go. Now just start digging. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I think that's big enough. Let's go grab my daily tray. I bet it has a bit of quite a bit of flex. Oh, don't run over the. Yeah. I really don't think this is a big enough hole. Whoa, 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 whoa. I think as long as you don't have a wide tire. There we go. No, stop digging. Cool. Yeah, let me try this real quick. Tell me, does any of this make sense? That? Comment down below if you think this makes sense at all. I'm under my truck. Let's try the other way. You definitely do wiggle a lot. See, that's a bit better. We just have to move over a tiny bit. You know, I really can't get this right. This dig right here. See if that's a bit better. My family's watching TV. All I heard was light bulbs were invented like 100 years ago. Hundreds of years ago. Yeah, it's doing it. It's flexing a bit. You can see the transfer case, the transmission, the motor. You know what you should add is a opening hood and opening doors, and where you can, if you have the wrench in the top corner when you're in your truck, if you could take off your tires manually to make it the game more realistic. We can take off the tires and open the hood. But that will be the end of the video today. You guys will also still definitely see me again, but I love you guys.